Okay, just let it go, Parker. Let him play with it.
He's bending it. I'm turning it off.
He's gonna start eating it, Toby. Did you see him open his mouth?
No.
Parker, so what toy is that? Is that your Connect?
Uh-huh.
That's cool. Who helped you put that together?
Taylor, it's awesome.
And who else?
Daddy and Mommy.
Daddy and Mom. It's a whole family effort.
No bad yet.
Okay, put it on the ground for Ollie one more time.
Ollie.
Do it in the hallway, guys.
That's Ollie. Ollie.
Face him that way, way down.
Yeah, just let it.
Yeah, right here. No,
That's
right
here.
here. Down here.
Right down there so it has a long runway.
No, there.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Don't touch it. Just leave it.
Whoa, it's turning. I am such a young pass.
I think he's learned not to react to it. Let's go to the bathroom. I think it has to go.